Hey Chris, I wanted to show you the completed casita. The paint on the two shelves have to go in yet there, but the paint on the cabinets looks fabulous. This wall is really blank. You need to get that mirror I think you're looking for, but the cabinets themselves look great. So I think that finally got done, and I'll turn around one more view. I think you're really gonna like how this color of black turned out. Love you, honey. Well, the casita simulator room is all set up. We got the air conditioner up there on the top left. The camera's been permanently mounted to the ceiling. Here we got the first hole at Pebble Beach on the screen. Got a putting. Got the blue box, get the angle right. Some electric bikes, and we should be finally all set to work on the golf game next few months and years. Hey Nazer, I thought you'd get a kick out of the little video of the house. Here's as you come in from the garage. This is the pantry, which is great, and then straight ahead, that's the door with the electronics in it. Little coffee bar over here on the left with a warming drawer. As you come into the main room, here's the kitchen. That's the powder room straight ahead. And then the bar area is all finished now. Here's the bar behind the dining table, which works out great. And as you look back toward the front door, and here's one of my favorite rooms of the house, the bunk room with a king, bottom right, and 3 other queens. And as we walk back here, here's the bathroom with a trough sink. And here's the shower. I think that's pretty cool. And one of the highlights, assuming that this is where a lot of the kids would stay, is this wall over here. It's actually a fake door into the closet. Isn't that cool? And right across from the bunk room is the guest room. You get a kick out of this. Here's the blinds that automatically go up. And you've got a view, walk out onto the patio where the pool's at. And a beautiful view of the golf course. There it is. And one of the highlights of this room is in the bathroom. The bathroom has a steam shower, which is really cool, with a spa-like seat in it. So we did that for guests as opposed to the master bedroom. Okay, Debbie, this is per your request. This is going into the master primary bedroom. These are the beautiful Therma-Tru doors, looking out to the spa and the golf course. And here we've got the TV. It's called the Frame. As we look around the master bedroom, here is looking coming in from outside the golf course. There's the door to the great room. And here's our pictures, mostly of the grandkids. And here's the bathroom. Got the 2 sinks in here. Traditional crapper. The shower with a tub in it, and medium-size closet. And here we are, we're turning around and looking back from the closet. There you see the shower. Walking back out again, this is the primary master bedroom. at the Rugg Family and Friends Getaway Retreat home. And going back into the great room. Love ya. And here's how the back patio turned out. The big 85-inch screen TV above, fireplace in the back, seating area. Those are heaters on the ceiling there. A fan. Nice table and the grill. Leading out to the golf course, the spa, or excuse me, the jacuzzi, couple fire pots, and the pool. Cheers. Here's the Rugg residence at La Quinta at the Palms. We got Jack and Sonia over for the night for a little dinner before we head back to Koto for a few days. Cheers, everybody.